today we're going to have a tutorial regarding Spectra, which is the #1 breast pump nowadays. So I agree with that because I already used. So a lot of mommies who doesn't know how to use it, this is the best video for you. So let's start with the accessories. So we've got the tubes. So there are two tubes. There you go. 2 tubes. And then we've got the socket for you. There you go. And the charger. This is also for charger. Yeah, here.
Whoa.
And we're going to talk about the machine. Okay, guys? So here's the machine. These are the buttons. This is the screen. And this is where you put the tubes. Okay. There you go. It can be 1 and it can be 2. Okay. When you turn around, there's the socket for your charger. And this is the bottle where you're going to put it. And there you go. And you're going to put it like this. There. There's a rubber for you, so it won't be. There you go. There. So now we're going to talk about what are the buttons here and what's on the screen. Okay, let's start. So this is the on button. There you go. This is the screen. This is the cycle. This is the timer. Okay. And then the level and the battery. Okay. So the cycle means that if you want to make it higher, there you go, until 44, and then you make it lower. And then this is also the frequency. So this is already automatic, 70. And then the vacuum, which means the level. Okay, you can make it level until level 5 if you're going to use this. But if you won't going to use that, if you're going to use the level 1, it will go until 11, 12. There you go. That's the maximum. And make it lower. So it's up to you. How are you going to pump your milk? So I suggest that you're going for slower ones, and then you make it stronger. There you go. And there's a light. That's the best part for me when I'm pumping at nighttime. There. It's very convenient. Right. So these are the tubes that you're going to use connecting to the machine. Here we go. So you're going to connect it to there, 1 and 2. There. Okay. Then you're going to connect it to your bottles. We're going to talk about the bottles. So these are the bottles. Okay. There you go. You're going to open it. A rubber. And then here. You're going to open it. This can be removed, and you have to replace this one after 8 months. You have to replace this one after 8 months, okay? The reason why, because when you're pumping, it will splash the milk that you're pumping in, okay? So there you go. You're going to put it back. So this one, the small one, the small round here, okay? So you have to put this one together. There. There you go. And then this is the other one. Put them together. Okay. This one, you're going to connect it to the bottle. Okay. Then this one, you're going to connect it to the tube. There. And the other one, this one. Okay. There you go. So you're going to put it on your breast, and then you're going to start pumping with the machine. Okay. And this one, if the battery is already low, of course you have to charge it automatically, because sometimes if you pump more than 4 or 5, it only used for 1 day. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, mommy.